Wales becomes the first UK nation to lift travel restrictions within its borders.
So if you're familiar with the channel, you might actually recognise this spot. It was a place where I shot my first ever photography vlog. It was pretty bad. And it's also the place where I made my first video where I talked about my photo and video business. So I'm a fan, I like this place. Oh no, it was inevitable. First ever drone crash. It doesn't look too bad actually. There's my ND filter. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. So I was coming around this sort of bend here and I was like, oh, it'd be chill, it'd be chill. It wasn't chill, wasn't chill. I tried to pull out of it, but it was too late. It had already gone horribly wrong. I think my ND filter actually saved the lens on my drone though, because there's all these like scuffs and scratches all around the lens, but not on it. So I think my ND filter has actually just saved that. So ND filters, multi-purpose. So I'm trying to fly my drone over these trees behind me for one of those dope like facing down shots of the trees. But every time I get near the trees, these like birds of prey seem to appear out of nowhere and start circling my drone. And I think that is a sign that I should stop trying to get that shot because nature always wins. So it seemed fitting that I would come here for my first ever real Mavic Mini 2 flight. I mean real in the sense that I drove here and I came here to specifically fly the drone. Now that the travel ban is lifted and I'm allowed to do so without being maced or pepper sprayed by the Welsh Government. Thanks for not dying, little drone. Thank you. Cheers for coming, mate. So, first real flight with the Mavic Mini 2. Was it worth the wait? Absolutely. And my first real crash. And from what I can tell, the drone survived absolutely fine, though I do think that ND filter did save the camera. Anyway, cheers for coming to hang out. Thanks for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it and consider subscribing to the channel for more stuff like this. Now the travel ban is lifted, you best believe I am off to Snowdonia National Park with my Mavic Mini 2 drone. That is at the top of my list of things to do. But one last thing before we go, there was another reason why I wanted to come out to this spot specifically today, and that's because I wanted one last trip out to Alwen Reservoir with my Canon 90D, because this is where I started my channel with the Canon 90D. I started talking about my business at this spot with the Canon 90D, and I just wanted one last trip out to Alwen Reservoir with this camera. So you might be wondering what I mean by one last trip, and what I mean is we're off to Upgrade Town, baby!